In this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream on TikTok from your PC. So whether you want to stream games, your screen, or just your webcam, I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, open any internet browser and search for TikTok Live Studio, then press enter. Click on the official website and download TikTok Live Studio for Windows. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the installation steps. After installing, open TikTok Live Studio from your Start menu. Make sure you're signed in to the correct TikTok account. Now we can start setting up your live stream. Click on the plus icon, plus, next to Sources. Here, you can choose what you want to stream. If you want to stream your full screen, select Display Capture and click Add. If you want to stream a specific app or game, choose Game Capture. Click Add. Then select Game. Click the drop-down menu, and if your app or game is running in the background, it will appear in the list. For example, if you want to stream a game, make sure it's open first, then select it from the list and click Add Source. You can also enable Capture Cursor if needed. Next, choose your layout. You can switch between portrait and landscape, but since TikTok is mobile-based, I recommend using portrait mode. If your screen doesn't fit properly, you can resize and reposition it by dragging the corners. Now, if you want to add your webcam, click on the plus icon, plus, again and select Camera. Choose your webcam from the list, adjust the settings, and click Add Source. You can resize and move your camera anywhere on the screen. You can also add extra features like follower goals, alerts, and notifications to make your stream more engaging. Once everything is set up, click the Go Live button at the bottom. If your account is eligible, your stream will start. If not, TikTok may ask you to apply for live access. And that's it. That's how you live stream on TikTok from your PC. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.